The 2025 F250 or Ferrari LaFerrari replacement has been spotted testing again in its prototype form, and here's what we know so far. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Now, right now, the 812 Superfast replacement will most likely keep the V12, while the LaFerrari successor is actually, well, believed to downsize to a V6. And this prototype from Maranello's next Hypercar has been caught up close in Italy, flaunting high voltage stickers indicating that the test car will most likely be a plug-in hybrid. Now, most cases, it's probably going to be a PHEV setup along with a smaller combustion engine, but this is a guess. Now, shout out to Gabe TZ Spy Units for the shots. As always, I will link his page in the description below so you guys can check out more of this LaFerrari replacement. Now, the prototype has an interesting rear considering the two exhaust tips sticking out that are accompanied by microphones. Now, these mics are coming out of the bumper from underneath the provisional taillights, seemingly borrowed from the SF90 Stradale. Now, presumably, their role is to measure the decibels as road-going cars must not exceed a certain threshold, which is no fun at all. How boring have we become? Now, Ferrari is perhaps also fine-tuning the soundtrack of the combustion engine, possibly adopted from the 499p Le Mans Endurance race car, which itself has a twin-turbo 3-liter unit derived from the 296 GTB and 296 GT3. Now again, codename F250, the LaFerrari replacement is still very much a work of progress, as you guys can see with the heavy camouflage on this prototype. It may look a bit weird from some angles, but despite this disguise, you can get the impression that it has a more aggressive look than the previous flagship prancing horse that launched over a decade ago. Yeah, the Ferrari LaFerrari is that old. Now, this has a plethora of air vents for the cooling and aerodynamic purposes, but you also have a gigantic wing with some chunky end plates. Now, judging by the angle of the wing, it's likely a active aero piece as well. Now, the large vertical air curtains at the rear give you an idea of how wide the tires are, while the cutouts in the roof reveal Ferrari's upcoming crown jewel that will have butterfly doors, as the case of its predecessor. Now, overall, the F250 sends out a track car for the road vibe, even though the Extreme SF90X Stradale does the same thing. Now, this is the type of car that Ferrari will have no problem selling months, if not years, ahead of its official debut. Now, unconfirmed reports from the Italian forums state that 599 coupes and 199 convertibles are going to be assembled, plus 30 units of the Hardcore XX Badge Special Editions. Now, the coupe is said to be revealed next year, with the open-top version, as always, coming about a year later, and then the XX, followed by a total production run of 828 units. Are the rumors true? We'll have to find out. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Ferrari F250, and what are some other things you can point out that I didn't mention in today's video? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love, as always, guys. Thank you so much. And you guys also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.